Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well and trust you're having a good day. It's 11:45, just shutting down here for the day. And I thought I would do a flash chat. I haven't done a flash chat for a very long time. This is a good opportunity, I think. A question that some of you might have, and I don't think there'd be many, but why didn't you take a trade here today with all of this flowing, beautiful price action? Well, the answer to that is actually very simple. If you remember, we came in here, guys, with a very strong down day, right? Down day, a cascade day, meaning we took out yesterday's low without any trouble whatsoever. The high is below yesterday's high. Down candle. This was a very blue, in your case, it might be red candle, of course, coming in here after the CPI news and other news this morning that took the market by storm, down well over 300 points here on one single 30-minute candle at 8:30. And then, of course, we simply wait until the market opens, which we do here, and then watch price action, right? So given that we have a down day and a very bearish sell down, I'm not looking for longs here, certainly not out of the gates. But prices rallied, if you remember, and this is a lockout rally, nothing for me to do. Now, even if we had an up day here, guys, if we had an up day and I was bullish all of a sudden, and we were in a sequential wave uptrend in a bullish 30-minute picture, in other words, we have alignment here, and we have this rally, I'd be looking for a pullback to enter into a trend continuation style trade. But we didn't even get that. In fact, prices pulled all the way back, tagged the 21 like I like to see, the 9 squeezing into the 21. Ideally, we would round back up and break above. Well, we never did, of course. Candles just kept on going down. Now, even if we did on a significant down day and a bearish 30-minute picture, I still wouldn't be looking for longs. But just to show you how weak this price action actually was, pulling back deeply, and once the 9 is below the 21, I'm certainly not taking longs out of this, right? And I certainly wouldn't be shorting above the open range. So there's no longs and no shorts for me. And of course, we also had the 10 o'clock news, which was right about here's 10 o'clock news. And so if you're waiting for that too, of course, you're doing nothing. Then prices rally back above. Finally, the 9 gets above the 21. So that's looking kind of bullish here on the 1-minute chart. But we still have a very bearish daily picture and a bearish 30-minute picture. We've had a significant pullback here, but a very deep one, almost tagging the open range, and then we rallied. And again, even if I turned bullish all of a sudden, if this was a bullish picture and this was a bullish picture, there was never a resourceful pullback for me to get involved. In fact, we only pulled back in here for a potential continuation trade, but I'm certainly not doing that into a bearish down day and against a Fibonacci retracement that had already been met here, right? In other words, more than 618, for example, in through here. You can use your marker and you'll see that very clearly. I don't use the marker, but I know it'll be obvious to many of you. And then we get into this kind of breaking down behavior here, and there's certainly nothing for me. Hope you're having an amazing day, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day and afternoon, and we'll see you tomorrow for Thirsty Thursday. Take care.